Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some Happy Mail to share with you. My So Yeah box, the Friends box for August 2023. So excited to get this open. I love their fabrics, I love their choices, and I can't wait to see what this month's block of the month looks like. So let's get it open. So I thought I'd recap what the block of the month has been so far. So I'll show you those blocks really quick. And these aren't in any particular order because I don't remember honestly which one was which for which month, but here's one. And they're using solids by Riley Blake, which I really like. They're really pretty. They're picking really nice colors. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's striking, like that one. 6 and 7. And I do believe this was the last one, but the other ones are all mixed up. Really pretty. Doing really good. Proud of myself for keeping up with this block of the month, which is nice. So here's the box. Normally I put my camera down to look at it, but my camera's being kind of funky today, so I'm just going to show you guys everything. So sorry about that. Ooh, that's the only thing. So I always have trouble popping these boxes open. So this is what it looks like inside. Everything's falling out. All right. And then, okay, first thing. Oh, I like this. First thing that was in there was, it says, "Don't touch me, I'm quilting." It's a cactus. So that's cute. It's a sticker. So yeah, quilting. I really like that actually. That's cute. I don't always love the stickers just because I'm not a sticker person, but I like cactuses, so. Okay, and then let's see. Take a look here. It looks like this month's box curator. It doesn't say how they knew this lady. Her name's Debbie. Here's a picture of her. So there's stuff about her. Oh, she's a Benartex fabric rep. Okay, cool. So this is probably going to be Benartex fabric. But there's all kinds of information about her. And then you get this in your box every month, which has a QR code on the back that I'm going to cover. And that's how you get your tutorials for the couple of projects. They usually have 2 projects, sometimes even a 3rd one, but at least 2 projects, and you can download your PDFs and have tutorials, and they usually do an interview with the person who curates the box. So if you get the box, that's what it is. And this box, I didn't talk about this yet, but it's $55 a month, and that includes shipping. And there's some tax on top of it. I think with tax, mine comes out to like 58 and change. So this month, they actually put a pattern in the box, which they don't always do. So I appreciate that. It is a 48 by 64 inch quilt, so like a small throw quilt. And that's what it's going to look like. Let's see. It's designed by Gina Perks for So Yeah Quilting. And it looks like the website says thecopperneedle.com. So she must be a pattern designer. Okay. Okay. Now, they usually throw a notion and a large spool of Orifil in. And what they've thrown in this month is a bobbin boat. And I actually have one of these. There's lots of bobbin things on the market to hold your bobbins, whether they're empty bobbins or bobbins with thread. I don't like the round ones. That's just my personal opinion. But this one I really like. And the one nice thing about this one is that you can throw it in your bag for retreats really easily, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. And this one, my machine takes larger than standard bobbins, but not the M class like the long arm. And this one still fits the larger ones. It does not fit the M class, but it does fit the smaller bobbins and the medium bobbins. So I really like this. So I'm glad to have that because I do a lot of retreats. So, and then I got a large spool of Orifil number 1246. It's kind of a steel gray, really pretty. I think I don't have this color. I have a lot of thread. I have a lot of Orifil, lots of colors, but this might be a color that I don't have. That's really pretty. Okay, so let's take a look at the fabric. All right. And then in the very bottom of the box, so the fabric sits in the box, and underneath that is always the block of the month. So I'm going to show you guys the fabric and see if I can find one with salvage so I can tell you what it is. The fabric is gorgeous. It's all like jewel tones. Okay, this says fresco, but I'm not sure that's, the salvage is just a little bit. It's Michael Miller, actually, which I'm surprised since she's a Benartex rep, but that's cool. They didn't have to pick from their own company. They could pick whatever they like. Okay, so this is the fresco line from Michael Miller. Let me put this back in order. Put these colors back in order and I'll show them to you. I got it all out of color order. All right. And it's not going to be folded like they had it, but that's okay. I'm going to show them to you all at one time and then I'll take them apart and show them to you. So this beautiful package of fabric, like I said, they look like jewel tones, are really, really pretty. These ones look like a sunset to me, and then these ones look like more like the jewel tones, but really gorgeous. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. You get 12. So 12 fat quarters, and then I will open them up and show them to you guys. So this gorgeous purple, and then there's one that's like a lighter purple. It's got like a touch of pink in it, but still purple. Here's a blue. This one's like a teal, dark teal blue. It doesn't look dark teal, it looks almost royal blue, but it is like, it's got a little bit of a green component to it. Now this one is what I would call like a royal blue. It's very blue. It's pretty. And then there's a lighter blue. This one's like a watercolor blue. Okay. And then this one's actually a teal or a turquoise. I would say a teal. I think the next one's turquoise. And they're not really showing up as like turquoisey with the green in it on the camera, I've noticed, but they do have a little bit, that one has a little bit of green. And then this one's definitely like a turquoise color. Really pretty. Gorgeous. You guys know I love blues, so I'm happy with all of those. Now this one is definitely pink. It is pink. Like hot pink. Really pretty. This one's like a coral. Got a smidgen of pink in the orange. And then this one's definitely more on the orange side, but a lighter orange. And if you hear something that sounds like elephants, it's my children upstairs, sorry. They're running around. I have boys. Here's a darker yellow, kind of a yellow-orange color. And then a little bit lighter of a yellow. So like those last four look like a sunset to me. And appropriate with the cactus because they kind of look like a desert sunset. So, all right, so the last thing in the box is the block of the month. And these all finish at 10.5 by 10.5, well, unfinished by 10.5, but when they're finished, they'll be 10 inches. So here's the block of the month. It's a tulip block. And these are the fabrics that go with it. So next month when I open my box, I'll show you the next block. Oh, I love it. It's going to go together really quick and easy, I think. It looks like a fun block, so I'm excited to do this one and add it to the pile. And I'm thrilled that I'm keeping up with this block of the month since I have so many of them going on. So, all right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this opening. Tell me what your favorite thing was in the box down below. Let me see. My favorite thing this month, a lot of times it's the block of the month or maybe a notion, but I really love this fabric. I love all these blues. They're so pretty. Here's all the blues next to each other. So I'm going to have fun with these. I don't know if I will actually put them in this quilt because I feel like I could use these blues all together in something and the other colors in something else, like I was saying, a sunset. So that's all I've got. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.